The 2018 Needles in Strawberries episode served as a warning to all of Australian industry that failure to take security seriously can have disastrous consequences. It also showed just how vulnerable manufacturing industry is to malicious acts. When the news broke of the sabotaged strawberries in September 2018, only 3 Queensland brands were affected. But thanks to the wonders of social media, within a week there had been 230 claims of fruit tampering across Australia, most which proved to be hoaxes. The consequences for the industry were disastrous, with major supermarkets removing stocks of strawberries and thousands of tonnes of fruit destroyed. In response, the larger growers have invested in metal detection technology, as used in other branches of food manufacturing. And while inline metal detectors are capable of intercepting both ferrous and non-ferrous metals at conveyor belt speeds, they only secure one part of the supply chain. What happens between the packaging plant and the supermarket shelves is another matter. So what is the solution? How can consumer products be secured all the way through the manufacturing supply chain? One solution is surveillance, and Frank Ferrara, MD of Courtney, is in no doubt that today's CCTV systems are effective both as a deterrent as an investigative tool. Ferrara says that the advantage of CCTV is in identifying unusual behaviour, which can then be examined in greater detail. He then points out that once people know that they are being watched and their actions recorded, the deterrent effective is clear. I'm Courtney Love, and thanks for watching Industry Update News. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and visit the Industry Update website for the full story.